Alright, good morning boys and girls. Welcome to our class. Today we are going to be doing a review lesson. So we're going back to Unit 1 and we are going to practice Lesson 1 and Lesson 2. Okay? So I hope that you all have your books. Also, I want to make sure that you have your pencil and eraser and also a piece of paper that you can write on, okay? Because I'm going to ask you to write a few things down, okay? So if you have your things, you can continue the video and then we will get started. Okay, so I'm sure you guys remember this lesson over here. It's sunny. So the first thing that I want you guys to write is some things that you can see. So I'll write number 1 here, 2, 3, and 4. So only 4 things, okay? So the first one starts with a T and it is green, okay? The next one starts with an A and it is red. Alright, so let me write it down for you. So it's green. This one is red. Okay. Then we have a big M over here. So I want you to know so this is a girl. Okay. Number 4 starts with a D and it is small. Okay. So these words are on this paper over here. And if you want to try it, you can write it down on your piece of paper. Okay? I'm going to give you the answers in. Alright, the first one was green and it's outside. It is a tree. The second one was red and it's also outside. It's an apple. Then we have a girl. Do you see any girls? I see. That girl is mom. Okay? And number 4 is the small dog. So that's what you can see on this page. Now let's go on and look at our vocabulary words. Let's practice it one more time. So can we have the notepad, please? Thank you. Alright, our first vocabulary word, everyone, is hot. Alright, the next one we have is sunny. Okay, then we have cold, we have rainy, and the last word is cloudy. Okay, so practice the phonics. H, ot, hot. Can you say it? H, ot, hot. Then we have sunny. Alright, so sunny, sunny. K, old, cold. Okay, your turn. K, old, cold. Then we have rainy. So rainy. Rainy. Can you say it? Rainy. Rainy. Cloudy. Cloudy. Alright? So I should actually separate that. So let's just go back to rainy. So we say rainy. Rainy. Again. Rainy. Rainy. Cloudy. Cloudy. Okay, those are our words. Let's see what they mean. So hot, alright? You normally know hot is there is a lot of, lots of sun, I guess. Okay? It means it's very warm. Okay? And some things we can drink in the hot weather. We can drink some water. Alright? And you can eat some ice cream. Alright, then we have sunny. This means a lot of sun. And in sunny weather, we can wear certain clothes like a t-shirt. Alright, you can wear a t-shirt, and you can wear some slippers, and of course you can also wear some sunglasses. Okay, cold. So this one is completely different. I should put a line over here, right? So hot and sunny, they go together, and then cold, rainy, and cloudy, they are together. So cold means there is no, you could say, oh, not no sun, but so it's cold. Okay, so cold, it is not hot. And when it's cold, you can wear some mitts. Okay, you can wear a scarf. All right. Rainy, it's lots of rain, and you can use an umbrella and of course a raincoat. All right. Cloudy, this word means that there are lots of clouds. And where are the clouds? They are in the sky. Okay, the clouds in the sky. When it is cloudy, when it is cloudy, there is no sun. Okay, you can't see the sun. Alright, so these are the words. We'll practice it one more time. So cloudy, rainy, cold, sunny, hot. Okay, let's move on, everybody. So we're going to practice singing the song one more time. So I'll give you a chance to have a look over here at the song, and it's open. So before we play it, let's quickly have a look at the words again. So let's say, how's the Alright, sorry about that, kids. So let's quickly have a look over here again. Alright, so let's say, how's the weather? How's the weather? Brr, it's cold. Brr, it's cold. How's the weather? How's the weather? Oh no, it's rainy. So, oh no, it's rainy. And how's the weather? How's the weather? Ah, it's sunny. Ah, it's sunny. So let's play it, and I want you guys to please sing with the song, okay? Make it louder, please.
How's the weather?
Oh, it's cold.
How's the weather?
Oh no, it's raining.
How's the weather?
It's sunny.
One more time.
How's the weather?
It's cold.
How's the weather?
Oh no, it's raining.
How's the weather?
It's sunny.
Okay, good job, everyone. Now, let's move on, and we're going to go to the next page to look at our sentence. Okay, so over there. So the sentence is, can you say after me? How's the weather? Okay, how's the weather? And then it's cloudy. So you can say it's cloudy. Okie dokie. So we can change the cloudy to whichever one you wanted. So you can say, so it's cloudy. You can also say it's, what is this? It's rainy. Or you can say it's sunny. Okie dokie. And in fact, you can also say that it's hot, or you can say it's cold. Okay, so we're talking about the weather. All right, guys. Now we're gonna move on, and we're gonna go to lesson.
Unit 1.
Lesson 2.
2.
Alright, so in our lesson over here, we are talking about the different shapes, okay? So how it looks, the different shapes. So we have a few shapes that I'm just going to write down over here for you to see. I don't know if you guys can remember what this one is. Alright, what about this? Okay, and the last one over here. Do you know what this is? Okay, and one more over here. Alright, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 different shapes. Alright, so let's see if you guys can guess the shape. So this will be number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. So of course, number 4 and 5 are the ones we don't have on here. So let's see if you guys know it. So number 1. So if you did not guess it yet, you can pause the video and then wait and write it down. And then I'm going to give you the answers now. Okay? Alright, so the first one we know starts with a T. The second one starts with an S. The third one starts with a C. Number 4 starts with a D. And number 5 starts with an R. And I think number 5 is the hardest one for you to guess. So let's have a look. The first one in our book is also, it's also in our books. So it is a triangle. Okay. Number 2 is a square. 3 is circle. Number 4 is, so number 4 is the new one that you probably don't know. This one is called a diamond. So it's a diamond shape. Okay, diamond. Number 5 is a rec. So rectangle. All right, rectangle. So rectangle. So I want you guys to remember number 4 and number 5. Okay, so those are also important to know. You can see that number 5 is just a long version of the square. Alright, so it's a very long square. And number 4 is the square, but it's turned. So the square is like this, but now we turn it a little bit and it becomes a diamond shape. Okay, so hope you guys got some of those. Let's have a look at the actual vocabulary words that we have today. Okay, so can we please have the notepad up again? Thank you. All right, so the first one is to draw. The next vocabulary word is park, and then we have circle, we have square, and we also have oh no, we don't have rectangle. We have triangle. We have triangle. Okay, let's see how we use the phonics. So draw. Okay, arc, park, circle, square, and triangle. Okay, these are the vocabulary words. You can see that over here we have our circle again, and then our square and our triangle over here. Now let's talk about what these words mean. So draw means to write or to make you can say a picture. Right? So lots of people like to draw the things that they like. Okay, I like football, so I'm going to draw a soccer ball. Okay, is that a soccer ball? Maybe. It looks like a soccer ball. Kind of. Okay, so I tried to draw a soccer ball, but I'm very bad at drawing. You can draw whichever one you want to draw. Okay? The next one is a park. This is a place to play. Okay? So you can play at the park. You can play soccer. You can play badminton, if you know that. Badminton. Okay? At the park, you can also have a picnic. So you can have a picnic with your family where you put down the blanket, you sit on the blanket, and you eat some food, and you can talk to your mom, your dad, your friends, your brother, or your sister. All right? Then we have a circle. So I'm going to try and draw a beautiful circle. I think that's very good. All right, so my circle is going to be a happy circle. Okay? The next one is a square. So we know that shape over there of the square. Okay? And triangle. Alright, so you need to remember with a triangle, you need to have 1, 2, and 3 points. That is what makes it a triangle. Okay, so these are the words, everybody. Let's practice them one more time. So, draw. Can you say it? Draw. Okay, next one is arc, park. Can you try? Park. Alright, then we have circle. So, circle. And square. Can you say it? Square. The last one is triangle. So, triangle. Okie dokie. Next thing that we need to do is, I'm going to take away these words and we're going to practice the sentences. So let's go to the first page, please. All right, everybody, let's just quickly say these sentences over here. So the first one is Draw 3 green triangles. Can you say it? So, draw 3 green triangles. The next one is draw a big square. Draw a big square. Okay? Now we're gonna move and we're gonna have a look over here at the song. So I will read it with you and then I want you to please read it after me. So 3, 2, 1. Draw, draw, draw. Can you say it? Draw, draw, draw. Draw a triangle. Draw a triangle. Draw a circle. Draw a circle. Draw a big square. Can you say it? Draw a big square. Alright, next one. Draw, draw, draw. Draw, draw, draw. Draw your ruler. Draw your ruler. Draw your desk. Draw your desk. Draw a small chair. Draw a small chair. Okay, everybody, now you can listen to the song and sing with the music. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and go.
Draw, draw, draw. Draw a triangle. Draw a circle. Draw a big square. Draw, draw, draw. Draw your ruler. Draw your desk. Draw a small chair. Draw, draw, draw. Draw a triangle. Draw a circle. Draw a big square. Draw, draw, draw. Draw your ruler. Draw your desk. Draw a small chair.
Alright guys, good job everyone. Okay, now let's move on to the sentence on the next page. Oh, I didn't write anything. Okay, so these are some things that you need to draw. Right? Okay, so let's have a look at the sentence. So it says, draw a circle. Draw a circle. Okay? Now I'm going to ask you to draw something for me. Okay? So I'm going to ask you to draw, let's say, 4 things. Okay? So you can write it in your books or on your page, on the paper that you have. The first one is so I'll write number 1. I want you to please draw a square. Alright, so draw a square. Number 2, I want you to draw a triangle and a circle. So 2 things. Draw a triangle and a circle. And then number 3, let me change my marker. Number 3, I want you to please draw 5. So draw 5 squares. And number 4, draw a ruler and 2 and 2 triangles. Okay, so you guys can do that now. You can do it on your page. Okay, so I want you to draw a square, just one, and then number 2, I want you to draw a triangle and a circle. Number 3, draw 5 squares, and number 4, draw a ruler and 2 triangles. Okay, so I hope you guys can do all of these over here, and then if you guys are finished with that, okay, then we should be on our last, that's the end of our Howdy Kids for today. Okay, now the next thing that we will do, boys and girls, we're gonna go to our reading books. So I want you to please take out your reading starter 3 books.